Hello everybody, this is Marvin Johnson, and you probably have seen me before out there or being interviewed by Ask Credit Man on YouTube and Corporate Credit Secrets. I'm back today to talk to you a little bit about what's been going on with me. And first off, we didn't get a chance to really talk much about who I am, where I'm from. I want to let you know that I'm originally from Michigan, living now in Texas, and like many people, I've gone through college, and once I was finished, got involved with corporate America, and like many of us, we sometimes get caught up in what they call the rat race. And we have bills, we have credit cards, car payments, and before you know it, you're paying all these things, but you really don't know how it's affecting you. So one day I got ready to purchase a home. So I went and had a mortgage approval done. And I was a little bit disappointed when my credit scores weren't exactly where I thought they ought to be. You probably know the same feeling. When you wonder, what is it that I'm doing wrong? Maybe what is it that the credit card companies, the banks, what is it that they're doing that's impacting me? So, a few years ago I started on a search. I call myself the credit repair raider because I was intent on raiding these secret vaults, the repositories where the banks, the credit cards, they keep information so that they can manipulate our lives. The thing I wanted to do was find out, what is it I can do to make my credit better? So after dealing with people like Corporate Credit Secrets, dealing with some other individuals, I learned a lot of information myself. So I went out and started my own business. So what I like to do is I want to help people to avoid the pitfalls, maybe get out of some of the pitfalls they've fallen into that I've been in also. As time went on, I was able to repair my credit. Now I know how to do things like improve my credit scores, to improve my credit report, to be able to go out and get additional lines of credit, to get whatever it is that I need now. For example, you probably saw me again on the internet where I've been able to obtain a $50,000 line of credit. So again, those are some of the things that I want to help people to be able to do. Again, it's not a pretty thing to be in a situation where you have bad credit, where you want to go out and buy a new car, buy a home, get a loan, but you're at the mercy of the people there at the banks, at the dealerships, wherever it might be. So if you're like me, you probably want to be able to go in, and if you want to buy your new widescreen platinum TV, you want to buy that new car, or whatever it might be. In today's age, if you don't have good credit, it's going to be very difficult. And we know that right now we're under credit crunch. We know that financially, many of us are suffering. And so I want to help educate people. Now, I know that there's a lot of people out there who say to you, they can repair your credit. Well, see, to me, it's not so much about me repairing your credit, but if I can educate you, teach you the things that I know, then you know the old saying, teach a man to fish and he'll never be hungry again. And I feel that if I can teach you these things, then you'll have good credit, and especially you'll never be at the mercy of the banks, the credit card companies. It's actually an enjoyable thing to be able to manipulate them in a sense. Now I can call them and in a sense demand a credit increase. I can demand them to lower my interest rate on a credit card, because if not, I have the credit to be able to go someplace else and deal with someone else, and other people want my business. So if you would like some assistance with that, then indeed, give me a call at 206-495, 206-495-1705. Thanks a lot, and in the days to come, what I'm going to do is put some more videos out here, and we'll just slowly start talking about a few different credit repair tips that you can use.